Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Wednesday, November 22nd, 2023. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you have a great day and glad you're with us here for your TF headlines. If you haven't already started your travel or, you're still or just keeping it at home this year, whatever the case may be, I hope you have a good Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, and time off here the next couple of days. For those of you who have to work, thank you for working and helping out, especially shout out to our public safety folks working every holiday, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We appreciate each and every one of you during, every day, but certainly during the holidays as well. Let's tell you about the headlines we're working for you as we get ready for the holiday week. And here we start with Greenfield and South Stoner Prairie neighborhood meeting to tell you about. They want input. Planning Department is hosting the first public meeting for the South Stoner Prairie and Greenfield neighborhood plans on December 4th at 5:30 p.m. at the Fitchburg City Hall. This meeting will be an opportunity to learn about the plan development process and provide input about the neighborhoods. Meeting will start with a presentation about the neighborhood plans, then split into two groups specific to Greenfield neighborhood or the South Stoner Prairie neighborhood that will include interactive discussion. Some other project information is at our website on the two different neighborhoods. You can check that out now at fitchburgwi.gov right there on our homepage under the news section. We also are looking for input on the Stoner Prairie Park playground and shelter design. This is a survey that is out now. Please check out the playground and shelter options for the park at our website, and or please choose your number one and number two playground and your number one shelter preference, and submit your feedback by the end of the workday on Friday, December 1st, 2023 to the Fitchburg Parks Department. That's 5520 Lacey Road, Fitchburg, Wisconsin. You can leave a message too by phone by calling 608-270-4228 or email scott.endel@fitchburgwi.gov. This is a paper survey, FYI, so you need to fill that out and get it back here to City Hall. Fitchburg City Hall will be closed for the Thanksgiving holiday. Fitchburg City Hall, Community Center, and Senior Center all be closed on Thursday, November 23rd, and Friday, November 24th for the Thanksgiving holiday. We'll reopen back up on Monday at our normal business hours. The 2023 Sidewalk Replacement Project is in full swing, and I just want to remind you that project will continue now through December 1st. Please note that these dates do change depending on weather. The city has marked the sidewalk sections to be replaced with pink or white paint. Most panels will take about 7 days from demolished to when you can walk or drive on them. There are some panels that are marked on the sidewalks that may be in front of your driveway. This may cause some issues as there is closure. You will be noticed, though. You'll be notified by door or by a door hanger or both to instruct you to move your vehicles to give you time. If you have any concerns about this project, you can check in with the project manager or with Fitchburg Public Works. They can help you out with any information that you have regarding questions to that project. Next week, we will be celebrating the 2023 Mayoral Awards at the Common Council meeting. The Mayor, Julio Radafrada, will honor and recognize longtime community member Ed Kinney, a Fitchburg business owner, Oak Bank, and the Fitchburg Historical Society at the Common Council meeting on Tuesday, November 28th. With the 2023 Mayoral Awards, you can tune in and watch those awards right here at Fact TV. Love to see you tune in for that. We'll have full coverage for you, of course, here on Talking Fitchburg. How about some Thanksgiving fire safety tips as we go into the holiday weekend? Want to make sure you stay safe out there. And the top tips, well, stay in the kitchen when you are cooking on the stovetop so you can keep an eye on the food. Stay in your home when cooking your turkey. Check on it frequently. Keep your children away from the stove. So important. The stove will be hot and kids should stay 3 feet away. Make sure kids stay away from hot food and liquid. Steam or splash from vegetables, gravy, coffee could cause serious burns. Keep knives out of the reach of children. Be sure that electric cords from electric knives, coffee makers, plate warmers, mixers are not dangling. And I would just double check them before you plug them in too. Just saying. A lot of great safety tips out there. I hope you have a fun and safe holiday weekend.